What's popping, you guys? Welcome back here to another episode of Beauty and Fashion. If you don't already know, my name is VEE in Progress is my YouTube channel, and I'm so excited on today's episode. It's our second episode on beauty and fashion, and if you haven't already, as you can tell, my eyebrows are popping and we have a tutorial for you guys. Make sure to check it up here, somewhere here. Yes, and on today's episode, guys, we're gonna be doing a beginner friendly eyeshadow look, and I hope you guys really enjoy this. First of all, subscribe down below and like and comment. Let's dive into the video. Yes, so guys, for eyeshadow, today we're gonna be featuring this gorgeous palette from Reina Beauty. Reina Beauty, she's a Kenyan lady bringing us the gorgeousness of Women of Color palette. This palette, it's a royalty from Reina Beauty, and guys, we're gonna, like, as you can tell, it has a lot of earthy tones, very neutral tones, and some shimmers. So we're gonna definitely be creating something gorgeous but also something not too crazy, because it's a beginner friendly look. So for eyeshadow, you either need an eyeshadow base, and in this case we're gonna be using a Divas Cosmetic eyeshadow base, or at times you can just use your concealer. If you have the LA Girl concealer or whichever concealer that you use, you can also use that as a base, and so it helps the eyeshadow colors to pop on the eye. And then another thing, it helps the eyeshadow to stay longer. So an eyeshadow base, it's very, very important, and make sure not to miss this step. So we're gonna be using this Divas eyeshadow base, and I'm just placing it directly on my eyelid, and then using our beauty blender, we're just gonna blend it out. And notice, you guys, I'm just tapping it in. I'm not swiping it, I'm tapping it in and then blending it out. I'm gonna start in with Mali. That's what is gonna be my transition shade. So for transition shade, normally it's added on top of your crease area, like so. So I'm just swiping it, because for transition you don't want it to be so pigmented. So I'm just swiping it, but I'm precise on where I'm placing the product, as you guys can see. Ooh. You see, I'm just taking enough, and I'm just gonna blend it all the way to my brow bone area without adding the pigment. Utaki kwe huku orange kutoka huku. So because it's an earth tone, it's almost my skin tone shade. So normally you can blend such a shade, and that's why it's a transition. It's not so pigmented, so it doesn't have to take, you know, the vavavoom of the look away from the lid eyeshadow. So once you're done with your transition shade, I'm gonna go in with Waridi, and now I'm gonna place it at the corner of my eye, the outer corner. And I hope you guys notice, I'm like tapping it in. I'm tapping it in to form the pigment, you see? And I'm precise. You don't want to be like everywhere hadi ifike huku. No, you want to be precise where you want to place the eyeshadow, as precise as possible. And then now, with the excess from the brush, you can move it around. It's like blending. Now you see, I'm like swiping. You see? So, and I'm just blending out there where the outer corner shadow meets the transition shade. With makeup, you never want any shadow to take away from the other, but also you want them to transition so effortlessly such that mtu hataona your hash line. Like I say, blending is my cardio. So as you can tell, siwezi work out wiki, like my cardio is already done, because like you have to blend. Like makeup is blending, literally. Sometimes I feel like it should be called blending. So I'm gonna take in a flat brush, and I'm gonna take the Imani. Ooh. Imani shade. Guy. It's so cute. It's so beautiful. Oh Jesus, I've never used such a shade of eyeshadow. I love it. It's different. It's unique. Oh God, I love it. It's so beautiful. I love that it's almost like a matte, and then it has some shimmers. I don't even get how they have done it, but it's so beautiful. And then for this shade, you want to take it all the way to this, all the way to the crease area, especially for hooded babes like myself. If you don't take it all the way up, sometimes it kind of takes away the look, because when you open your eyes in a feature, but you want it to be seen. So I'm just gonna try bring it a little bit up to my crease area. On the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Mahaba. It's a gold. That's what we're gonna add in at the tear duct, the inner corner of our eye. Yeah, so that's how you do your eye. So yeah, after this part, you'll just use a wing liner just to wing it if you want to, or you can just use mascara and you're good to go. But for me, I'll do this eye first and then pop in some lashes, and then I'll be back with you guys. But can you see that blend? Yeah, so let's do this eye and be back here. Yes, so guys, I went ahead and did the rest of my face, and I added in lashes, I did foundation, but we'll make sure to link down all the products that we use down below on the description box. And remember, they're all available at our studio, the Glam Hub. Yeah, and so guys, this is how we're looking. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned how to blend your eyeshadow. I tried to make it a beginner friendly. Don't forget to subscribe down below, hit that like button so that you support our channel, and as well remember to hit the bell, the bell, so that you can get notified every time we upload a new video. Yes guys, that's all from me for today. See you next week on Wednesday, and till then, please stay safe. Yes, bye. Mwah. Mwah.